Hi friends, how are you all today? Okay, so today we are going to see an interesting topic. Here you can see a photo of Emma Watson and she is wearing white dress. So we'll see how to change the color of this white dress to another color. It is so easy process. Okay, let's begin. I have chosen this layer or else you are doing for you are doing for your clients. Yeah, it is always good to duplicate your original image by pressing Ctrl J. Here I am not duplicating because it's normal photo. I'm not doing for any clients or anyone, so I am doing for you to teach you all. Okay, so I have chosen this layer one. And how you going to edit this? Can you please tell? Okay, yeah, we can use pen tool also, but pen tool you can work on it, but here I am going to use quick mask selection tool, because we just want to know how to change the color of this one. You can use pen tool, lasso tool, whatever you want to cut this white dress. And okay, here I am going to use quick selection tool. Okay, so zoom it. I have to zoom and work. Okay, so I have this enlarge this quick mask. Look, okay, I have selected. Okay, this one, yeah, selected. Yes, I think it's so. Okay, there is one part, but you can clear it by minusing this one and all. There is also option for quick mask selection. You can decrease the size accordingly. Look, okay, so now it's selected all dress. No? Okay, quick mask selection. If you want to know more about quick mask selection, you can comment. I will teach you in next video. Yeah, just we are doing another task. Okay, so let's, here there is a few portion left. Here you can just decrease the size of quick mask selection. Either you can use pen tool or anything. I'm here using quick mask. Okay, you can see here this plus minus everything is there. You can press plus, so it will add upon. If you press minus, it will decrease. Look, it's going down. Okay, you have to press plus this one. If you don't know quick mask selection tool very well, you can comment me. I will teach you in next video. Okay, so we are just selecting. Okay, zoom it more, it will be good. Okay, actually we are not caring about selection process now. I just want to teach you, my friends, how to change the color of white dress. Okay, again I am telling, I am not concentrating on selection. I just selecting the white, I mean the dress. Okay, so now the cloth of Emma Watson is selected. Okay, everything is selected. Yes. Okay, selection process is finished at last. Okay, now we have to click on adjustment layer. You can see here a half white circle, half white and half gray circle. Okay, press on adjust layer, go to solid color. See, the color have changed. Don't worry, process is not finished. We'll see. Okay, you can choose any color you want. I choose red. Okay, let it be. Yeah, so I have chosen red. Okay, so you will think, okay, this is nothing, this is what it is look like a plain color, it's look like flat color. And don't worry, you are going to see the magic now. Go to Okay, you just listen, okay, carefully. Go to this, you can see here normal, change to multiply. Yeah, you are see, do you witness the magic? Okay, see, it's normal now, nothing is nothing shades or any, nothing is there. Okay, it's just a flat one. Okay, see, the difference is happening here. Look, okay, when we click multiply, the shades and everything, the foldings, everything is there visible. Okay, so we will click on multiply. Now the dress. Okay, look, every part have changed from solid color to, look, you can see fleet and the shades and everything here. Okay, so don't worry about this cut selection process. You can use pen tool and give feather and everything, or you can use quick selection tool and you can give feather, so it will be looking very clean and perfect. Okay, so this part is over. Okay, so now you thinking, okay, yes, look, too bright, or it's not matching the figure. Okay, I know that Emma Watson will be angry for that also. Okay, so here we have to change the saturation, the color, darkness, everything here. So for that, again go to adjustment layer. Here it is, adjustment layer is here. Okay, just click on it, and you can see curve. Okay, you have to press curve. Okay, so I have pressed curve. Just concentrate on image and this curve together, so you will see the change happening. Okay, so look, now when I press this curve, all image is changing. Am I right? All image is right changing. Look, it's not Emma Watson's clothes is not changing. Okay, we have to change the saturation and everything of Emma Watson clothes. Okay, so here you can see both. Okay, let me, so just every tab is there. We can avoid lots of if there is any lots of tabs, just avoid it. Okay, here you can see solid color layer and curve layer. You just press both using you can either press control and just click on the other layer to choose. Okay, and press control plus G, so you will see it, this both layer have grouped. If you don't know to group it, you can comment, I will teach you. Okay, so here we can see two layers are grouped, and this layer will move to this group folder above. So it is outside, it is common for both curve and this solid color. Okay, it now you can see you can see the difference now. Just press this one for changing the curve, I mean to change the color, saturation, everything here. Okay, just drag it, you can see the magic here. Okay, I will zoom the image. Okay, I'm zooming the image. Okay, look, you can witness, look, changing its color mode, and yeah, it's look, lots of changes have happened. Now it's matching the image now, and you can decrease saturation if you want, or yeah, it's good, and a little more. Okay, it's matching now. No, it's changed a lot. Yeah, it's changed a lot. Look, it's changed a lot. Okay, so that's it. Look, if I just off, you can see the previous one that we done before giving this curve thing. Okay, before changing the saturation and everything, this is what we will get. But after changing saturation and matching everything, we will get this image. You can change, if you want, you can change a little more. You can just press, drag this curves. Look, it's changing. You can change, look, yeah, it depends on your image, how its background, and how it's the image and the color of color tone of the skin here and all. Okay, so I think you all have understood. If you don't understand, please comment, and I request you to subscribe, like, and press on bell icon, so you will get new tutorial video notifications. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Keep supporting.